Hello, beautiful neighbors. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. My name is Jerry, and I'm walking into a local Canadian grocery store. It is called FreshCo. It is more of a discounted grocery store. So some of the items are a little bit less than some other grocery stores. And I thought I'd take you along and just, it's not a very long video today, but I thought I'd take you in with me and just kind of walk around so that you can get to see some things, get an idea of some of the prices, and at the end of getting through the grocery store, I will go back home and share a grocery haul with you all. A lot of the things that I am purchasing are Canadian products. And when I can't find Canadian products, I am sourcing out things from Mexico, Peru, or other areas. Our grocery stores, with the threat of tariffs coming, have started to get supplies from, like, say for example, right now at this time of year, blueberries in this grocery store and some others, and that blueberries would have been from Texas area. However, or other parts of the United States. However, because of the tariff threats, the blueberries would be from Peru now. And I absolutely love my American neighbors. I have a lot of friends here that are from the United States, and I love them dearly, and I consider them family. But I thought that I would just, take you to the grocery store and just kind of chit-chat a little bit and share my haul with you all. And like I say, I do care, and I do love you all. And I thank you so much for being here. And I will be back in a couple of minutes chit-chatting again. Maybe I can find some nice music to listen to as we take a walk around the grocery store. I have the camera, I set it on like slow motion because I found that when it was on normal, I went by these prices and items in the store so quickly that your head would spin. And I didn't want your head spinning, so I slowed the clips down so that you can get a better look at everything. Comment down below, how the prices are where you're at. If you are sourcing out more local, like whether you be in Canada, the United States, or another country, do you tend to try to shop, with products from your country the best to your ability? I know I always have been self-aware of these things, but I wasn't overly strict with it either. Like, I would try to make a point, if it was only a few cents more for a Canadian item versus anywhere else, I would buy that. Even if it was $1 more, I would buy the Canadian. I would try my best to support local, but like I say, I wasn't overly strict with it. For example, like our Tim Hortons was bought by American companies, and the coffee is from Brazil, and we have great Canadian coffee called Kick Horse here. So things like that. Like I was like, oh, Tim Hortons, it's still Canadian because it's the Canadian way to drink Tim Hortons. But in recent days, I haven't been going. But it's like I say, I don't want to get into anything negative. I'm just asking, like, do you guys try to be aware of what you're buying, where you're at, or, anyway, I'm rambling. Jerry the Rambler. I love yous all. Hi neighbors, grocery haul time. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you what I got. I just didn't get a lot of stuff. I didn't even get groceries last week, but I ventured out today. I'll show you some snow. And tomorrow we're going to be getting a storm. So we got quite a bit here right now. And it's snowing some more. Yeah, but the roads are bare right now. So it's not that bad. But we didn't take any of the snow off that barbecue this winter because we're not using it. But anyway, we are going to get dumped on tomorrow. Well, kind of dumped on, around 15 centimeters or so here maybe. Okay, neighbors, just zooming out a bit for you. I didn't do a lot. I didn't even get groceries last week, but I didn't pick up a lot because it was just myself. And I don't venture far by myself anymore, and I can't carry a lot myself anymore. So I just got a few things. And no offense to all my American neighbors. I love you guys. I do care about what's happening in the USA, in the world, in Canada, you name it. But everything here, none of it is bought any product, no product from the USA. No made in the USA product of the USA has been bought in this haul. It's Canadian and Mexico, and when I went to the Dollarama for a few things, it's Dollarama, it comes out of Montreal and stuff, but most of the products are made in China. So, anyway, we got some hamburger buns because Graham's really enjoying chickpea burgers and black bean burgers and that. So I'm going to make those this weekend. Bologna. Oh my gosh. I'm going to quickly go and get something I have to show you. We grew up eating bologna, so I need to start sharing some stuff with some bologna in it. I know the sodium is high, but just here and there, I'm going to cut it up and I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to take it out to share. I'll show you 1 second here. Neighbors, this is from Cape Breton, full of bologna. Okay, this I asked for this for Christmas. I asked my mother-in-law and father-in-law and anybody down in there to find me this, and my mother-in-law and sister-in-law found it for me because it was quite popular. It was only at a few pharmacy stores. It was a fundraising thing. And anyway, they found it for me, and I can't wait. There's a particular recipe in here that I'm going to make soon that I can't wait to share. I hope to share everything in this to you throughout by the end of the year or whatever, because we don't have a lot of bologna anymore, but I need to make some things out of that. And down home, man, the great big things of bologna you can buy, and a better deal than this. This is quite a bit. Anyway, onwards here. Beans. They're Canadian. Paneer, which we like. I like browning the paneer and putting sesame oil and yeah, just soy sauce, sesame oil, make it like, and I can make like a dip in that too. Quite like getting these little pizza things for recipes, not just for pizza. So I got 2 for me and 2 for Casey. I spent $70 in groceries, and I spent a bit more at the Dollarama. This is Ontario product here. Ontario apples, so seedless cucumber, Ontario red onion, Ontario Gatorade. This is Sobeys product, Canadian potting soil, because I'm going to be doing some transplanting. I got some potting soil. I need to start transplanting some of my plants soon. Product of Canada here to refill my hand soap dispensers. That's China, Dollarama. These are Dollarama. Dollarama here, 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 and here. These are made in China. I'm going to Casey's, and I like helping them clean and stuff. I find it fun, and I find it nice to do anyway. I like this here chili oil with some recipes. I'm going to make, I don't know when, but I like a cucumber salad, a spicy cucumber salad. It's Chinese. Product of Ontario, or Canada. I think it's Ontario, but it's Canada anyway. Canadian yogurt. Mexican green onions. Made in China. Look, Betty Crocker. Made in China. Okay, Mexico for tacos. Oopsie, 1 for me, 1 for Casey. We will be going again for more groceries. I want to pick them up some stuff. Mexico for the tomatoes and for my jalapenos. Wow, that's it. So there you go. That's it in a nutshell for now. Oh, I didn't show you the hot dogs. Got Graham hot dogs. He never had them in ages. He likes hot dogs. So we've been watching a lot of what we eat. I've been sharing like the indulgence here on the channel, because everything else that we've been having is very heart and friendly kind of stuff. And just, we're getting older. We got to look after ourselves. Anyway, that's it. Please come back again. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I love yous all. Take care, everyone. Bye.